In this tutorial, I will guide you how to delete your Resume Now account. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now, according to Resume Now privacy policy, they say here, deletion of your user content or account. You may request that we delete your personal identifiable information we have collected from you from our system. You can do so by clicking this link here or by sending us an email at privacy@resume-now.com. Now here's how. Just make sure to log in into your Resume Now account. Also on the dashboard here, make sure to select on the top right corner here, you'll see your profile. Select on Contact Us. Now on the Contact Us, you'll see here many numbers here which you can call, but I would like you to scroll down. You'll see a contact form here which you can reach us by email. Now here, put your full name, your email address that is connected to your account, the subject. Just make sure to choose from the drop down menu, select customer service. Then here, how can we help you? Make sure to write, I would like to delete my account. After that, verify you're not a bot and then click submit, and the contact support team for Resume Now will be able to help you deleting your account. Or you can try with a live chat support team through this option here. So that's how you can delete your Resume Now account. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.